So BMW have whisked me away to a secret location just outside the LA Auto Show, and this vehicle is a concept which they are showing. To explain to me exactly what it is, we talked to Frank Van Niel, who is the BMW M CEO.
The idea was, of course, to take the most popular segment we have right now, which is the SUV segment, and combine that with the typical M features like power, performance, but also electrification. So we put everything into one concept, including also, in this case, a high degree of luxury.
Looking at the exterior design of this vehicle, you'll notice that these lights here are actually the daytime running lights. When I look at the front of this vehicle, it looks a little bit like a Xylon from Battlestar Galactica. Very, very modern, but still it possesses that BMW look. A little bit of the feeling of the iX vehicle here. Down below those daytime running lights are the high and the low headlights behind smoked glass here, and surrounding those are a different colored gray from what is on the hood. Two big bulges here, power bulges on the hood, show the masculine look of this vehicle. It looks like an M car from top to bottom. A-pillars, very strong, very upright, very square and very bold. It has on the roofline LED lights as well. Never seen that before on a BMW. The kidney-shaped grille has LEDs all the way around it. Kidney-shaped grille is filled out with piano black. Big BMW emblem in the middle of the hood, and then piano black all the way across the bottom. On the sides, BMW-shaped wheels. Very classical design, but also very modern at the same time. Great looking, muscular BMW M car on the outside, and the technology continues with luxury features on the inside. All right, the inside, amazing. Carbon fiber, real woven interior. Classical leather with a vintage look. I feel like I'm sitting in an Englishman's club here. Big wraparound screen, paddle shifters on the inside, exactly what you'd expect from a V8 electric style BMW M car. Now, I can see from the front here, I have an M mode, I have a M hybrid, I have an exhaust sound. I'd expect those things on a BMW M car as well. If I look up at the ceiling here, wow, I've got a very cool ceiling that has lots of geometric shapes in it and lots of cool LED style lighting on the top that looks like it'll change color. Again, this is a concept car, so I've got to be super careful with it. Woven floor mats on the front, and this vintage steering wheel with metal inserts as well. But wait till you check out the back. And in perfect BMW luxury in the back here, the bottom of the seat is velvet. So an extremely comfortable ride in the back of this BMW XM. So while you continue watching the show, I'm going to continue having a nap in the back of this luxury BMW SUV.
I'm Nick Miles.